Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you an application, a free application I have found recently for Windows that allows you to convert between dozens of different file formats just from Windows File Explorer with one right click. This is so simple and it is free. Okay, I have downloaded the file and I run it. So the setup starts. It is a regular installation process. And the application has been installed. Now, it's time to try some conversions. I have saved some files here, an Excel file, a PDF, a Word file, one video in MOV format, a TIFF photo, and I will try with this first. So you right click and you, you select file converter. And for images, it has some output formats. I will select JPEG and it's done. Please note that the file name is the same as the original, the output file name, so it says TIFF photo again, but now it is actually a JPEG file. As you can see, the image was converted very fast to a JPEG file. I will try now to right-click a JPEG file. We have the same options. I will try to convert this JPEG to to PNG. Very fast conversion. Again, the file name is the same, but the extension is changed. So you can see here that this is a PNG file now. I open the file. It's okay. Now, I will continue with let's try this video. This is a music video clip. I want to convert it to an mp3 file. You see, it is an mp4 video. Let's convert it to mp3, an audio mp3 file. It's done very fast. Let's play it. It has been converted. My next conversion is this video. It is an MOV video file. I want to convert it to, for example, to mp4. Okay, this video conversion needs some more time. This is normal. Finished. I converted it to mp4. Let's play it. Perfect. The next conversion I will test is, let's see with this Word file, our options. Our options with Word files are, we can convert Word files to PDF or PNG. Let's check PDF first. You see test Word file, but it is now a PDF, in PDF format. Okay, I have just typed some text, random text inside, but you can see that the file is a PDF one. The next conversion I will try is Let's see with the Word file. I will try to convert to PNG image to see what happens. Okay. It is converted to image, to PNG image, but it's very dark. I don't know why. Okay, actually, I don't think that so many people will need to convert Word files to PNG, so this is not a big issue. Oh, it's black, but in the preview it looks okay. I think I understand what has happened. It has a transparent background, so it is black text with transparent background. So some photo applications just show something dark. Okay. As I said, I don't think that anybody will need to convert Word files to PNG. I have a PDF file. It gives the same options here to convert to PNG. I think the result will be the same. Dark background with dark text. Okay, let's skip it. Again, no big issue. My next conversion, the final one, will be this Excel file. I will try again to convert it to PDF. Done. Perfect, perfect. Quick and fast. Quick and quick and easy. Let's check something again. We can also convert JPEG photo, actually any photo, to PDF. So this photo has been converted to PDF. The quality is very good. Okay, the next thing I would like to show you is you can convert multiple files at once. The steps are actually the same. In this case, you just select all of the files that you wish to convert. You right click any of them, you select file converter, and here I convert. In this folder I have 10 JPEG files that will be converted to PNG with this application. The conversion needs some time because there are 10 files, this is normal, but in any case it is done very fast, considering that there are many files and large files also. I think it is finished. No, it is just another one remaining. So we converted 10 JPEG files to PNG with just 2 clicks and within a few seconds. You have also some settings that you can change in this application. For each type of conversion, you can select, you can change several options like the output quality. You can resize the output file if it's for a photo or a video. You can change the video and audio quality also. And here you can see any type of file that you can convert with this application. It can even rotate files. It can scale them, aka resize them. I have been using this application for a very long time. No problems so far. I have not experienced any problems. It is clean. I have scanned it with several antivirus applications. So I totally recommend it to you if you need to frequently convert files between different formats. Thank you for watching.